Hi everyone, want to create a catchy video ads that will grab attention without needing to be a pro. Let me show you how easy it is to design awesome video ads on Canva. No stress, just a few clicks and your brand new ad is ready to go. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a video ads with canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. Then you will find this page as you can see. So firstly, let's know what is Canva. So Canva is an easy to use online design tool that helps you create stunning video ads, social media posts, and more. Even if you have no design experience, with tons of templates, animations, and simple editing features, you can quickly bring your creative ideas to life, perfect for making ads that stand out. Right? So right now let's come back to the top. I will show you how you can sign in up with this platform. If it's your first time, you will find here two buttons, one of signing up and one of login. Also, you can click over apply now and you'll link your personal information such as email address and your password. Or you can just click over login to find your account. I don't have here these buttons because I already signing up here, and this is my profile as you can see. I will just right now click over home, then I will find other page which is this one as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just search here for this specific template that you want. For example, you search for Reels like that, Reels. Then here we have the templates that we found, 12,360. You can just click over see all to see all these templates and you select the one you want or the one you think it's better. So right now let's just click in over create design and at the top left, and you will find here our various things. If you want documents, whiteboard, presentations, social media, videos, websites, custom size, upload, and then we have also more. We'll click over here if you want also video, presentation, logo, animated, Instagram as well, story, phone wallpaper, or we have here flyer. Then we have also here YouTube shorts, website, whiteboard, Facebook, t-shirt, and the various things. You can just select the one you want. So I will just select here videos, then I will click over here and I will create my video. Or you can just click over here to search for the Reels, Instagram, for example, to add a design to template. Sorry. So right now I will just click over see all, then I will select the filter that I want by clicking in the top of all filters. I will select firstly the category that I want. If it's related to the business, such as document, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, or you can just here click over social media and you select here Instagram Reels, of course. Then we have also education, such as subject, weight, resource, and we have here video. Also, we have marketing, as you can see, print products. For example, I will just here use clothing and accessories. I will select here, for example, hoodies or sweatshirts, t-shirts, tote packs as well. I will select, for example, the shirts. Then we have here cards and invitations. Then you have the style here, the theme, the language. Then we have here the price. I will select the free one. Then I will click apply. If you don't find what you want, here we have one template as you can see. I will just here come back and I will create my design firstly by clicking over here in the top left as I did, and as I said, sorry. Then I will click over the option of videos. Then I will select the first one, then you'll find it is templates like that, and we don't have anything here. I will just here upload my template. Firstly, I will just go to the design and I will search for the specific thing that I will do. For example, I will select here choose basketball as you can see, and I think this one is very good to just describe my product firstly. And right now here we have it how it looks. I will add also other pages you can see. So here we have it, but we have here welcome to the basket channel, but I will delete this one and I will add here choose. I will just go here and then left. I will select text, then I will add a heading. I will make it here more, and here we have it right now. You can also add here the color of the title as well, and let's just waiting for, so I will just make it like that, and I will add here something example, I will add shoes and I'll put it like that in the middle. Alright, so here we have welcome to basketball shoes. And right now let's just add another thing. So here we have our videos. You can here add a voiceover if you want today's video to describe your channel with your voiceover by clicking over uploads and you start recording yourself, or you can just here click over application and you select here other options that could help you. For example, we have here charts, photos, bulk create, data auto file. If you want to also add audio by clicking over here and you select, for example, musics that you want, and then you select the one you want, as you can see. Alright, so right now I will just here add a page because this one it's not enough. I will just here show some examples of my product, which is basketball shoes. I will just go to the elements and I will search for basketball shoes. Here we have photos and videos that show that, but it's not enough here. We don't have it here. But the thing that I will do right now is just open the browser and I will here write the shoes that I want. Kyrie Irving shoes, for example. Then you'll find here the images you can see. I will select here one of this. So I have this one. So I will just click over here. So this is the collection that I have. I will just click over save, or you click over share and you click over here to copy the link, and then you have just to come back and you have to put it here, as you can see. Alright, so let's just waiting for, I will delete this one firstly, then I will add an image. Right, so right now I will just go to the uploads, then I'll upload files back, and then here we have it how it looks. I will just firstly select the background here, and let's just select in the background, replace the background here like that, and then I will add here, for example, an audio that's showing this, or you can just add a music as I said. And here we have this choose, as you can see. And right now let's just click in over here in the top right, and let's just see how it looks right now. Right, and here we have it how it looks. You can just design it by adding some logos of Kyrie here, or some logos of basketball as well. So right now all you have to do is just click over share in the top right, and you have to download the template, or you can just make it public view, or you can just present, and we have here other options that could help you to share your template as well. Alright, so this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.